This is an amazing set to protect your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, including a rugged bumper case, 2 tempered glass screen protectors, and TPU watch band. I was sent this to review from i-Blason, so let me show you a closer look. You've got an extended warranty and an instruction manual going over how to put it on and remove it. Super helpful. In here, we've got the wet wipes, dry wipes, kind of cleaning kits, 2 of them. Then it's got 2 9H tempered glass screen protectors. They're gonna help protect the face of your watch from cracking and scratches and all that, but it's going to function just like regular. Just like how you put a screen protector on your phone, you should put one on your watch too. This bit is gonna go around your watch head or face, what do you call it? So you're gonna have to take off the bands, pop this around your main watch, and then it's going to help protect it. Like, look at how amazing those bumpers and stuff are gonna be. It's going to keep it from getting cracked and scratched and anything really, like really good. But it's got precise cutouts all around. So this side and this side are fully cut out for the watch bands. And then over here and over here, you've got precise cutouts. And then on the bottom, of course, it's open to allow for wireless charging. So important. This will have a bit of a raised bumper to help protect it. Together with this and the screen protector, your watch is like so super duper protected, like crazy, amazing. And a sports band kind of comes locked together. Just pull it apart and install it. Really nice silicone sports band. This is gonna go on your watch and then these are gonna attach, but let's see if I can just get it. I don't have a watch. I don't have a watch yet, so I gotta just try to do this without the watch in hand. But this is how it's gonna look, basically. Really nice and smooth. I love that look. And then underneath, it's kind of ribbed. And I feel like that helps your skin to breathe better. Product page says this wristband will fit wrists from 6.9 inches to 8.7 inches. And those little bits, see those? Those are gonna just snap right into your watch. Gorgeous. This set is for the Watch 8 only, but they do have it for other models. So if you click around on the product page, you will find for the Watch 5, 6, and 7. So if you have a different model, no fret, you can probably find yours on the product page. If you're looking to protect your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, this is an amazing protective case and watch band from i-Blason. I love it, and I know you will too.